beautiful beginning, my dear children. Welcome back to our social class. So, children, this week we are going to start a revision for our first terminal examination. Okay, so first we are going to revise the textbook exercises both in history and geography. So, in history, we have portions from chapter 1 till chapter 5. Okay, and in civics, we have rural local self government, that is chapter 10. And in geography, we have the first four chapters. Okay, till agriculture we are having. So now let's start a revision. So first chapter in history is the Mesopotamian civilization. Okay, so the Mesopotamian, Egyptian, Harappan and Chinese civilization are called what? Early River Valley civilizations. And under that we learnt about the society, religion and achievements in detail. Okay children. So first take the correct answers. Page number 13 in your history text. So the Mesopotamian civilization is also called as a dash age civilization. Yes, it is bronze. Second one, the earliest kingdom that arose in Mesopotamia was in Sumer, Sumer. Third one, in Earth, the walled city and the outer town are residential areas. Fourth one, a ziggurat had a dash on the top, temple on the top. Next, the Mesopotamians wrote from right to left. Next, master columns. First one, slaves, bottom of the social ladder. Second one, the hanging gardens, Babylon. Third one, writing, clay tablets. Fourth one, Hammurabi is code of law. Fifth one, the Epic of Gilgamesh. It is a literary source. Next, right, true or false. First one, the Mesopotamian civilization was an early river valley civilization. Yes, it is true. Next, Lahash was a city in China. False. Third one, each Mesopotamian city had its own god. True. Next, most people in Mesopotamia were traders. No, it is false. Fifth one, the Mesopotamians kept records of trades on tablets. Yes, true. So next is chapter 2, the Egyptian civilization. So page number 21. So a civilization which arose in the valley of river Nile, that was called as Egyptian civilization, and both the archaeological and the literary sources tell us about the Egyptian civilization. Okay, so first Roman letter is fill in the blanks. The history of ancient Egypt was divided into dash periods, to three periods. Second one, dash were at the bottom of the Egyptian society. Yes, it is slaves. Next, Queen Dash ruled with her husband Akhenaten. Yes, Queen Nefertiti. Next, Dash was a major occupation, agriculture. Fifth one, the dash is carved out of a single block of stone. It is the Sphinx. Sixth one, the Egyptians followed the dash calendar. They followed the solar calendar. Next, circle the correct answers. The Egyptian king was called as the pharaoh. Next, the two popular forms of amusement were singing and recitation. One more is dancing. Which one? Yes, it is dancing. Third one, the chief god of the Egyptians was Amun-Re. Fourth one, dash was a major item of export. It is oil. Fifth one, the Egyptians used their knowledge of dash to construct pyramids. Yes, they used knowledge of mathematics. Six, sheets of paper were made from papyrus reeds. Roman letter C, read the clues and write the names. First one, the tribe that invaded ancient Egypt. Yes, it is Hyksos type. Next, political religious leaders of Egypt. They were called as Pharaoh. Next, a popular board game. It is Senate. Next one, the god of mummification. It is Anubis. Fifth one of the seven wonders of the ancient world. It is the Great Pyramid at Giza. And last one is the Egyptian system of writing. It is hieroglyphics. So the third lesson is Indus Valley civilization. Okay, so it is page number 30. Roman letter A. Pick the correct statements and put a cross against the wrong ones. First one, there is no Indus site in Rajasthan. No. Okay. Next, the Indus Valley civilization is famous for its town planning. Yes, so have to write a tick mark there. Next, the Great Bath is made of terracotta. No. Next, the Indus people knew spinning and weaving. Yes, it is true. Next, bricklaying was a popular occupation. Yes, put a tick mark. Next, a dockyard has been found in Dolivra. No, it is false. Next, circle the correct answers. Dash has emerged as an oldest Indus site. It is Birana. Second one, the dash cut each other at right angles. The streets. Third one, most of the seals were made of dash. They were made of terracotta. Next, dash have been found in the Indus sites. No temples have been found in the Indus sites. Fifth one, the Indus people traded with dash. They traded with Mesopotamia. Next, the Indus people used dash script. What is the name of the script? Pictographic script. So the next topic is Chinese civilization, page number 38. So first Roman letter, choose the correct answer. First one, the Chinese civilization came up along the Dash River. Yes, it is Huanghe River. Next, they were believed to be close to the gods. Who were they? Yes, they were the priest, option A. Next, this was the occupation of the majority of people. Yes, it is farming, option D. Next, China had trade relations with Egypt. Next, the Chinese script is written from top to bottom. Next, the underlined word in each sentence is incorrect. Write the correct word. First one, the Qin dynasty united a major part of China under one ruler. So, what is wrong there? Yes, it is Shang dynasty. Next, the nobles assisted the dash in administration. They assisted the king. China was the only source of dash for many centuries. They were the only source of tea. Dash was the main item of export in China. Yes, it is silk. The Chinese invented the dash wheelbarrow. Next, circle the names of the things invented by China. So, you all know kite, umbrella, gunpowder, and magnetic compass. So, the next lesson is Vedic civilization, page number 47. So, time to learn Roman letter A. Fill in the blanks with the words from within the brackets. First one, the Ramayana and the Dash are the two great epics. Yes, Ramayana and the Mahabharata. Second one, Dash was a voluntary tribute that people paid to the Rajan. Yes, it is Bali. So next page, third one, the dash served the upper three social groups. Yes, the Shudras. Fourth one, the later Vedic text refers to the use of iron. Fifth one, the Aryans shifted from Sapta Sindhu to the Gangetic Valley in which period? During later Vedic period. Next one, the Dash and Kshatriyas were the ruling class. The Brahmanas. Next, take the correct answer. The period from 1500 BCE to 600 BCE is called as the Vedic age. Second one, the Vedic people are generally referred to as the Aryans. Next, this was drunk on special religious ceremonies. Yes, it is Soma. Fourth one, this determined how wealthy a person was in the early Vedic period. Yes, it is cattle. Fifth one, the later Vedic period was from Dash, from 1000 BCE to 600 BCE. So, what is BCE? Before Common Era. Next, this was the stage in which an Aryan got married. It is Grihastha, option D. Next, write one word answer. What did the Aryans name the region where they settled in the early Vedic period? It is Brahmavatta. Next, what was the village headman called? They were called as Gramini. Next, what was the chief priest called? They were called as Prohita. Next, who was the most important god in the early Vedic period? It is Indra. Next, what decided the caste of a person in the later Vedic period? It is birth. Sixth one, which god was worshipped as the creator of the world? It is Brahma. So now civics lesson number 10, page number 100. So circle the correct answers. First one, dash is formed in villages that have a population of 500 or more. It is Gram Sabha. Second one, a dash is the link between the Gram Panchayats and the Zila Parishad. Yes, it is the block Samiti. Third one, a dash is like a local court. It is Nyaya Panchayat. Fourth one, the highest body of the Panchayat Raj system is the Zila Parishad. Next, Roman letter B, fill in the blanks. A dash is a system where local people are involved in managing the administration of their area. Yes, it is the local self-government. Next, the dash is the head of the Gram Panchayat. It is the Pradhan or the Sarpanch. Third one, a block Samiti looks after the development of the whole block. Next, the dash supervises the activities of the Panchayati Raj. Yes, it is the Zila Parishad. Next, Roman letter C, right, true or false. First one, the Panchayati Raj system works in urban areas. No, it is false. Next, the members of the Nyaya Panchayat are also members of the Gram Sabha. False. Next, the members of the Block Samiti elect the Block Pramukh. It is true. Next, the Gram Panchayat makes the development plan for the whole district. This is false. So, children, now take out to your geography textbook, page number 12. Okay. So, what is the first lesson? Representation of geographical features. Okay. So, now let's start a revision. So, Roman letter A, the underlined word in each sentence is incorrect. Write the correct word. First one, a dash cannot be made for a part of the earth, a globe. Second one, a dash is a representation of the earth on a flat surface. Yes, it is map. Third one, northeast is an example of dash direction. It is intermediate direction. Fourth one, a rough diagram drawn without a scale is called a dash. It is called sketch. Next, the dash of a river is the place from where the river originates. It is source. Next, take the correct answers. Which of these is not the language of a map? It is sketch. Option B. Next, which of these maps is also called topo sheet? It is topographical map. Third one, which of these features is not shown using conventional signs and symbols? It is direction. Next one, an accurate map of a house is called a plan. Fifth one, the large bends of a river are called meanders. Roman letter C, right, true or false. First one, the distance between any two places on a map is called the ground distance. This is false. Second one, the linear scale is represented using a straight line. Yes, it is true. Third one, bearing is measured in a clockwise direction. True. Fourth one, a plan is drawn on a small scale. It is true. Fifth one, the upfolds are called synclines. It is false. So children, next second lesson, landforms of the earth, page number 22. So first one, fill in the blanks. The forces which originate from within the earth are called as endogenic or tectonic forces. Second one, the dash fold mountains have conical peaks, the young fold mountains. Next, the plateaus that are partly or completely enclosed by mountains are called intermontane plateaus. Fourth one, dash is an important occupation in the plateaus. It is mining. Fifth one, the West Siberian plain is a dash plain. It is an erosional plain. Next, Master Collins. First one, exogenic force. It is a gradational force. Next one, Appalachian. It is an old-fold mountain. Third one, Block Mountain. It is Horse Mountain. Next, fourth one, plateau region of Greenland. It is continental plateau. Fifth one is peneplain. It is erosional plain. Next, write two examples of each. Fold mountains. Yes, the Himalayas and the Andes. Second one, Rift Valley, Rhine and Great Rift Valley. Third one, intermontane plateaus, the Bolivian and the Mexican plateau. Fourth one, lava plateau, it is Deccan and Columbia plateau. Fifth one is structural plains like Eastern Coastal Plain and the Great Plains. Sixth one, depositional plains, Ganga Brahmaputra plains and the Huanghe plain. So the next lesson is number 3, water bodies. So page number 34. So write the names of these water bodies in the correct column. So first under oceans, Arctic Ocean, Indian Ocean and Atlantic Ocean. Next under seas, it is Bering Sea, Mediterranean Sea and the Kara Sea. Next under lakes, you have Michigan, Baikal and Onega. Okay. Next under rivers, it is Parana, Danube and Indus. Roman letter B, write T for true and F for false. First one, mean sea level is taken as the starting point for the measure of the height of the land and depth of the ocean floor. Yes, it is true. So you have to write T there. Next, the shape of the Pacific Ocean resembles the letter S. No, it is false. Third one, a gulf is larger than a bay. True. Next one, Lake Superior is a freshwater lake. True. Fifth one, leakage from the oil tankers is a natural cause of water pollution. It is false. Next, write one word answers. The water body that surrounds Antarctica, the Southern Ocean. Next, the Black Sea is an example of this. It is inland sea. Next, Lake Lucerne is located in this continent. It is Europe. Fourth one, the longest river in the world. It is River Nile. Fifth one, a disease caused by drinking polluted water. It is jaundice and gastroenteritis. Okay, so now page number 47. Okay, lesson number 4, agriculture. So first one, agriculture is a dash activity. It is a primary activity. Next, which of these types of farming is practiced in the prairies of North America? It is commercial farming. Next, which of these is a cash crop? It is sugarcane. Fourth one, dash the jute producing country. It is Bangladesh. Next one, which of these was developed by Dr. Norman Ernest Borlaug? It is HYV seeds. Next, Roman letter B, fill in the blanks. First one, in dry areas, dash is required to grow crops. It is irrigation. Second one, the dash farming is practiced to feed the farmer's family. It is subsistence farming. Third one, dash is the main crop grown in hot and humid regions. It is rice. Next, Cuba is a dash producing country. It is a sugarcane producing country. Next, the increase in food grain production is called the dash revolution. It is called as a green revolution. Okay, next, write three examples of each. First one, plantation crop. This tea, coffee, and rubber. Next, wheat producing countries. It is Russia, USA, and Canada. Next, fiber crops. It is cotton, sugarcane, and jute. Fourth one, tea producing countries, China, India, and Sri Lanka. Next, states that witnessed green revolution in India. It is Punjab, Haryana, and Tamil Nadu. Thank you, children. Have a nice day. Prepare well for your first terminal examination. Stay safe.